Ebusian for say same way. It's been a while. Get to talk on no case no. It's been a while. Now I think say baby I do know. Let's see what the court is saying about this particular case. Yenim say aside Ghana has say no. Ye mama get to Torkornoo e de nensem akwa dying ECOWAS party as here. Na for some time no say ECOWAS ageni case no indefinitely. I feel say ECOWAS for Asanso Afre case no inti endran yet say ECOWAS for Asanso Tina case ni so. Na ni he say edie na ECOWAS ebeka. Na apparently no say get to Torkornoo e the request e de koto ECOWAS for enim. Na ECOWAS for a granted our request no. Na yefre bibi amendment of case. Inti yemfa ne say wa wotie me woni obi enya asem na odi akwa akopie mu ewo court. Now, whilst court case no ekoso, emra court case na ekoso, emra ekoso na no. Ubetumi ama judge no ati ase. Say okay, case ya odi abeyi. Nsem bi wo mu a opese wo sesa, ene ne yefe amendment. Opese wo sesa nsem bi because new evidence ni nyama bi aba. What you say? Judge wetumi aka say okay, may grant you, and judge wetumi aka say that bibi edu mempene. Inti na no na ECOWAS for apene so amaye mame. So we are going to read, and then we are going to understand what's going on. And then your first time we have subscribe and click the notification bell on this. So we this our latest news be about one sabeka. Na miguso akai mo say Novdek eba say oba and na say owo fasi bi. Wo pese or register no tron of deck a school back open America recommend your your friend is Sanctuary College. Now, the only reason why I am recommending this school is that Obibia will register Novdek with Omo, our Trobiano, a pass with flying colors. Frewomo, it was 053 7730272. 053 7730272. Now, in HSM, and say, Omo, a free WhatsApp platform. Se won't school ni hokrana teachers no air survey questions train kolana de WhatsApp platform ne so. Na ohwe comment box ni mu a links no miensa. The third link no o click here obetumi ajoin WhatsApp platform ne so free. Na trese yakọ mesanso kai mo say know how to invest in Ghana. A lot of people don't know, but there are several financial institutions ewo krom ha omo man krofo enye sika. Know how to invest in Ghana. Book now a screen is on a better all those financial institutions. Send your reach out to them. Or more better train same we need so atro. No one who baby do sika beshe. Now we sika no when you're a son fast for. Now you can get this book on WhatsApp 055-807-4986 100 cedis pay. And I say open hard copy of the book call Amazon na type the Ghanaian investor ebeba. Na tresa wa click na wape book ni bi ato. Comment box ni mu no links mi ensa wo ho. The second link o click ya wonsa ebeka book no. Amaye now yan konsem ni mu o say ECOWAS Court grants former Chief Justice Torkornoo case amendments. What you say? And you say ECOWAS Court grants former Chief Justice Torkornoo case amendments. Now say the ECOWAS Court has granted the sacked Chief Justice Gertrude Torkornoo's application to amend her case before it. I say, according to the law platform, Justice Gertrude Torkornoo appeared before the court on January 30th, 2026, seeking to introduce 12 new claims aimed at reversing her removal as Chief Justice of Ghana. She's still fighting her removal. Also, through her lawyer, Femi Falana, Justice Torkornoo prayed the court to grant the amendment application and to deem the modifications already filed at the court's registry as properly filed. Also, per a report cited by Ghana Web, Justice Torkornoo is arguing that her suspension as Chief Justice of Ghana violates her fundamental human rights, particularly her right to a fair hearing. Femi Falana also submitted before the court that the Piaman Committee set up to investigate allegations of misconduct against his client was not constituted in a manner that guaranteed its independence and impartiality. He contended that this, among other issues, amounted to a violation of applicants' human rights. In response, the Deputy Attorney General Justice Remsai, who was also present in court, argued that the proposed amendments seek to expand the Chief Justice's initial reliefs. According to him, the originating process already filed by Chief Justice constitutes an abuse of the court's processes. He therefore urged the court to dismiss the application, particularly the attempt to introduce matters relating to her removal. Meanwhile, the ECOWAS Court in its ruling unanimously granted the Chief Justice's application to amend her claims. The 12 claims are a declaration that the suspension blah 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 is illegal. What you say? A declaration that the panel instituted by the respondent to investigate and determine the allegations of. And so basically, get to talk on no court. Worker saying someone would happen or person yen satraye bi ewom. And Justice Remsai, who is the deputy, argue said that be my penny manenye. But Yamane Kwan judge no na judges no. ECOWAS Court na man Kwan say one konkoye. But what share ni claims na or diabana saying the 12 claims no. She's still fighting. Committee ejuma committee na ya and the anam so ama ya pameno no. She's still fighting says our committee ejuma no yembongu. Now the question I want to ask is say, okay, so now what happens? Inti ECOWAS the ruling ba no okaso okay committee ne inti get to talk on beba bi no aba be Chief Justice and say and they say ya Ghana akọ forward that obi edi adanse here even MPP afenyo marking na wo kwa mama mi and the we di adanse aba be ka say Supreme Court ruling bi a wo de aba nanse ya etrese omo wo integrity no Ediana get to talk on be like she wants to come back to come and fill the position as the Chief Justice or what mentias here. At this point in this time, same way, yenga se Charlie is dead and gone. Yen chasuni yen continue ya bravo. Can't we say that? I mean, someone should let me understand. Can't we at this point? Can't we say listen, Charlie, asem no baby edune de yen chaso yen chambo na obi an konkodwene ho. Can't we do that? Can't we say that? I don't know. But for me, it's something. Like we are still fighting over this. Inti, the question is that MPP for any yemame in some more can say or the assembly kwa in court. Inti nanki yenchena court in the assembly we and sana Mahama, His Excellency it's a key decision. Na kaba this time still Ghana nanki ye train. Kaba this time still Ghana ye train. Say nanki yemfa a new Chief Justice. Nanki ye train. Say ECOWAS infa decision imbra and no kran won say ni asem na ewo court. By this time Ghana you need Chief Justice. And this is what they wanted. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I mean at this point kamame no asem won kan say Charlie. Ade esiewie, there's no need to fight. I mean, we could see saying like at the end of the day fa camera nesi Ghana krum nebisa wobia say what is the perception they have about the judiciary today. Mamentre mobibi Manase Azori edin semi babetoja veteran investigative journalist Manase Azori mamentre mo asembia wakan. I'm going to show you. Okay, Nansia asembia Manase Azori ditoja and every single person in this country where bi odie peloya bia wo ye MPP ni na bisa wono peloya bia wo ye MPP ni ne bisa no say saying na ono lawyer no ofili about Ghana's judiciary today. Manase Azori meba. So this is what Manase Azori said. Or say outcomes in cases involving the government and the governing party are no longer predictable at the Supreme Court as they once were. And it is refreshing to note that the Chief Justice who empanels the judges is appointed by the sitting president. Long may this continue. Manase Azori trust adewe. Because MPP for yeji omunkonyo efi omunsem omo de akwa down Supreme Court. Supreme Court say dabi yema MPP MP ne still wanting us. Everyone thought says our case no akwa down, even MPP for omo nim so omo de asem no kwakwa down Supreme Court no. There was no way they were going to win. MPP for, that's what they thought. But see, omoko wini ye inti Manasseh as well say hey and that the Ghana assistant because during Chief Torkornoo emred you could clearly predict case where MPP for there or the MPP for asem there. And indeed obe kanu ebe kwa aba but on this platform yanka sansem no ye the case be ko yes you we there ye nim say MPP for send ye etie ye nim say MPP for asem nya de now so ye be ba no ye be rule amomo ye nti krom ha ensi esiye inti Manasseh as always say ende watina Ghana we hu say hey Ghana asesa aden a enkane no nanka case no based on political color nanso ende NDC net so nanso still ye the seat na ma MPP I say long may this continue. At this point you still want to come and fight and still be our Chief Justice. You see MP is it by force? You see MP. Anyway, mo try wa your comment box ni mo me da say.